In today's video, I'm going to teach you the full guide on how to create a Calendly poll for 2025. This step-by-step tutorial will help you streamline scheduling with colleagues, clients, or friends by effortlessly gathering their availability and finalizing the perfect meeting time. So let's dive right in. First, head over to Calendly's website at calendly.com. If you haven't already signed up for an account, you'll need to do that first, but assuming you're already a user, simply log in. Navigating the Calendly interface is straightforward and intuitive, even if you're new to it. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by your personalized dashboard. Here, you're going to look for the Create button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the screen. Click this button and then from the drop-down menu, select Meeting Poll. This feature is designed specifically to ease the scheduling process when you're working with multiple people's availability. With that said, it's time to add the necessary event details. Start by setting a title for your meeting or event. This could be as simple as weekly team meeting or something more specific depending on the nature of your gathering. After naming it, choose the location. Calendly offers several options like Zoom, Google Meet, a phone call, or even in-person meetings. That this versatility ensures that no matter the type of meeting platform you're using, you're covered. Don't forget to set the duration of the meeting. 30 minutes is typical, but you can easily adjust this based on your needs. Next, propose time options. This is a crucial step because it determines the windows of availability you're offering to your invitees. Consider the participants' time zones and anticipated schedules for the best results. Offering at least 3 different time slots often works well in accommodating everyone's availability. Once you've set up your proposed times, it's time to share your poll. Calendly provides a handy generated link that you can easily copy. Share this link with your intended participants via email or any communication platform of your choice. Participants will click the link and vote on the times that suit them best. Calendly will handle the rest by notifying you once everyone has voted or when a consensus is reached. This feature is incredibly convenient, as it relieves you of the hassle of back and forth emails and message exchanges. Finally, after the preferred time is selected, Calendly will automatically book the meeting. This seamless transition ensures that all invited participants receive confirmation and calendar invites directly, so there's no need for manual reminders or additional follow-ups. And there you have it, a complete guide to creating a Calendly poll for your 2025 scheduling needs. This tool not only saves you time, but also helps ensure that your meetings are arranged efficiently and with everyone's availability in mind. Thanks for tuning in, and have a great time planning those meetings.